Really important that when people from outside come in, they get a sense of who we are. Folly Farm could be anywhere in the UK. We're not unique in terms of being an attraction, but what we are unique in is our Welshness. And I'd like to think that because of what we've done and how we've embraced the Welsh language, you couldn't easily pick us up and put us anywhere else.
Okay, we want to give them a nice bed, we want to give them a nice pint of beer, we want to give them a good meal, but there's also that feel and personality of a business, and that's what makes people come back. The language is central to that, yeah.
Da ni'n gallu mynd â hwn dros y byd I gyd. Fes i'n Dubai 3 wythnos yn ôl, a oedden nhw'n holi ni am yr iaith Gymraeg, ond doedd o ddim yn stopio ni werthu'r botel iddyn nhw, ond bod y Gymraeg yna. Os rhywbeth, oedd yn reid fwy o darddiad y cynnyrch, felly oedden ni'n deud it's coming from Wales, a wedyn we have our own language, ac o hynna'n cryfhau yr sgwrs busnes efo nhw, os rhywbeth.